Hello and welcome guys, welcome to my ride. If you're in the market for a new motorcycle as I was, you might be wondering which one is the best fit for you. There are so many factors to consider, from engine size and horsepower to design and sound. Fortunately, there's a new technology available that can help you find the perfect bike for you. ChatGPT. I'm sure you've already seen a few videos on YouTube about this new AI tool, so I thought about a use case in our motorcycle niche and gave it a try. Recently, I sold my BMW 1200 GS and turned to ChatGPT for some guidance on which motorcycle to go next. So I asked ChatGPT, give me a recommendation for my next motorcycle. I'm an experienced rider and would prefer a two-cylinder engine with 700 to 1000 cc with 100 plus horsepower. I would also like to have a nice design with a good exhaust sound. ChatGPT responded the following. Based on your preferences for two-cylinder engines with 700 to 1000 cc, 100 plus horsepower and a nice design with a good sounding exhaust, I recommend the Ducati Monster 821. This bike has an 821 Testostrada L-twin engine that produces 109 horsepower and 63 foot-pounds of torque, making it a powerful ride. It has a unique and striking design with a muscular fuel tank and a trellis frame. The bike's exhaust system is tuned to produce a deep and throaty sound, which is sure to turn heads. Additionally, the bike features advanced electronics such as ABS and traction control, as well as adjustable suspensions and multiple riding modes to customize the riding experience. At first, I was a bit hesitant since I've never owned a Ducati before, but the specs of the bike were too impressive to ignore. So I did a test ride with this beauty.
Girl, you broke my heart, so now I'm driving around all pissed off. I don't got no seatbelt cause I don't care if I crash. I'll be the one who got away, I'll be the best you ever had. And when I'm gone, just carry on. Don't try to act like you was there cause you were wrong. You really pushed me to the edge, but I'll be strong. Memories, they fade away, but I know you'll be here to stay. You just wanna go and pick apart every little piece of all my love inside my heart. And I know that you was playing all these games from the start. Man, I wanted us to work it out, but it was just too hard for us.
If you enjoy my videos so far, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. It's totally free and would be massively appreciated. To be honest with you, this bike met all my expectations, so I instantly bought it. Since buying the bike, I have been absolutely thrilled with my decision. The Ducati Monster 821 has exceeded my expectations in every way. The power and handling are incredible, and the bike looks and sounds amazing. It's also packed with advanced electronics like ABS and traction control, which is a nice benefit riding and makes it even safer. Overall, I'm extremely grateful for ChatGPT for recommending the Ducati Monster 821. If you're in the market for a new bike, I highly recommend giving ChatGPT a try. Just input your preferences and let the technology do the rest. You might just find the perfect bike just like I did. But before you buy a bike, do a test ride, no matter who recommends it. Every bike has its own flaws and little problems, and I would recommend checking them out before you buy it. So that's my new bike, and I will do several videos with this one about traveling, tuning it, and will give you a full review when I have more experience with it. So I hope I'll see you next Sunday. Stay safe, ride your ride, goodbye.